Hey guys, this is Al for droidshark, and today I'm going to be doing a review of a free Google Play Store application called GO SMS Pro, one of the most customizable text messaging applications I've ever seen by the official Go dev team. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so here we have the GO SMS Pro icon itself. Tapping on it takes us right into the application, which will load up. This is where you can choose the message appearance style in the conversation user interface. You have a list and a bubble. Go ahead and tap the bubble right there. Swiping across, we can look at some of the features, which includes fabulous themes, plenty themes for downloads, and themes do-it-yourself. And it tells you how to get to there. Swiping across again, you have Go Chat built in, where you can invite your friends to use Go Chat and send free messages to each other. So we'll go ahead and enter the Go SMS application. This is your avatar clickable, which is clickable right there. You have to long press the thread. You can sliding screen around. Go ahead and hit that X button right there. You can see sliding the screen around. We have the application center. Slide again, Go Chat, and we have contacts. Slide again, you have just the regular messages icon. Now this is where you can take a look at all the text messages that you have, as you can see. Tapping this button right here, you can go to SMS BNR, which when you tap on, you can back up, restore, manage the backups that you have, and there's some tips there. Tapping this again, you have the private box, which is your personal encrypted message box. You have to set up a password to do that, but that's a very cool feature. Tapping again, you have the online SMS, which is your online SMS library, which you can also search through, as you can see. You can see some notifications right there. Anyways, you have auto reply, which when I tap on, you can set up auto reply for different people who text you, another really cool and smart feature. Tapping here again, you have the settings. So jumping into the settings, you can check and uncheck new message notification, enable pop-up windows, remind unread messages repeatedly, new message privacy mode, and SMS/MMS reports. Now scrolling down, you also have running modes, which gives you a description of everything under there. You have the time format, which you can change, system default 12-hour or 24-hour. You have font mode, large and extra large, if you need a little bit more help reading things, and then you can jump into the backup and restore again. Those are just the basic settings though. There are also advanced settings, which include application, appearance, notification, individual, send, receive, security, Go SMS, and voice input and output settings. You also have MMS settings and important tips. Jump into application settings and you get virtually what you were just looking at, with a little bit more extra added things like use default picture viewing, auto deleting old messages, changing screen brightness. Jumping back, you also have appearance settings, which includes the theme store, fonts, list customization, user defined settings if you want to add something like that. You have conversation list other settings, which is more settings for conversation list. You have customization for the conversation appearance. You have pop-up window appearance, so you will get a pop-up window if you'd like that feature to be enabled. You also have transition settings, as you can see, and you can also change the effect. So for example, if I do bulldoze and jump back, now if I swipe, I get that kind of cool stretchy bulldozer animation. Pretty cool right there. Go SMS is one of the cooler features I've seen of a text messaging application, Go Chat. It allows you to actually chat for absolutely free and not use your text messaging if you don't have unlimited text messaging. Or if you have a lot of people who have an iPhone or other Android phones, or most of the people you talk to do have Android phones, then you can only talk to them through this application and it'll be completely free. Now you can see when you get a new message, you got a little new tab that comes up there. You have the date and time of which the application was sent. Tapping on the picture, you can call them, look at the details, and you can also blacklist them as well right from the application. Now, if I were to actually jump into a text message itself, we'll go ahead and make sure that you can't see the number. Anyways, you can see this is the list view. You can call and Go Chat them right from here. You have this little button right here, which when you tap on brings up a extra bubble. Send, you can see how many characters left in a single text message. Here are your smileys. You got a few different ones here. That's where you can go to download some stuff. Jumping back, Go SMS. We also have the Speak Now, which allows us to enter text through our voice. We have this button right here, which is Go Share files by one message. If we hit Start Now, we can, of course, use the experience for sending messages through this application. This right here is your handwriting and doodling if you want to send that to somebody. You also have your MMS screen right here. And again, that's kind of like what we saw earlier. So a lot of different things you can do within a texting application. This is probably one of the most feature-rich texting applications I've ever seen. And if you're one of those people who like to make your phone your own, I definitely recommend GO SMS Pro. Now this application is extremely popular, and for good reason. It has over 10 million downloads with an average 4.5 out of 5-star rating. And if it was me, I'd give this thing a perfect 5 out of 5. I'd give this a 10 on a 1 through 10 rating. It's so customizable, works extremely well. Everything you could ever really want a text messaging application to do, this one does it, and does it really well. A lot of cool animations, a lot of cool customization, like I said before. You got smileys, different emojis, tons of different things that you can actually get into with just a text messaging application. So you can really take heed of your device as well, you know, with that custom LEDs for your lighting. It's just really cool. And if you're into text messaging quite a bit, or even not quite a bit, and you just want to customize it, you know, maybe put a family memorabilia picture as, you know, the background for when you're texting to always remind you of good times. It's just a really well thought out application. So thanks you guys for watching. Have a great day.